carjacking and car stealing problem in Washington, D.C. has now extended to somebody with Secret Service protection. At 11:58 p.m. last night in Georgetown, which is about a mile and a half from where we're standing right now,
what did that just mean?
Secret Service officers who are assigned to protect Naomi Biden, that's President Biden's granddaughter. Secret Service car from the agents that were protecting the president's granddaughter, and they got away. They're still out there.
Don't you blaspheme in here. Don't you blaspheme in here.
Wait.